Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rodeway Inn Suites Haines City. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Rodeway Inn Suites Hotel is a 15 minutes drive from Legoland. The hotel provides guests with features and amenities such as free wireless high-speed internet access, free local calls, laundry facilities, and an outdoor pool. The guest rooms are equipped with microwaves, refrigerators, hair dryers, irons, ironing boards, and a cable television. Some rooms contain flat-screen televisions and sofa beds. Non-smoking rooms can be requested. Business travelers will appreciate modern conveniences like the public computer with internet access. Copy and fax services are also available. Rodeway Inn Suites Haines City is a pet-friendly hotel. On-site parking that can accommodate most cars, trucks, or buses is also available. Walt Disney World amusement park is a 30 minutes drive from the Rodeway Inn Suites Haines City. Polk Community College is 20 miles from the property. Bok Tower Gardens is a 21 minutes drive away. Southern Dunes Golf Club is 10 minutes from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.